At the edge of the universe, a black hole waits, mysterious and powerful. This is no ordinary object. Its gravity is so strong not even light can escape. What if Earth didn't orbit the sun, but a black hole? Black holes are the ultimate cosmic enigma, warping space and time. Would we be crushed, frozen, or could life somehow survive? Let's journey closer to understand what makes them so fascinating. Imagine the immense forces at play, pulling everything inward. Now picture Earth in the shadow of this cosmic giant. A supermassive black hole could change everything we know about our world. But what exactly is a black hole, and how could it affect us? If you enjoy this kind of topic, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video. Let's begin our journey. Light bends and swirls around the black hole, creating a glowing halo. Their immense gravity distorts everything nearby, even time itself. A planet orbiting a black hole would see a very different sky. The black hole's pull is relentless, shaping the fate of nearby worlds. If a city were near a black hole, night would never be the same. Nothing can escape a black hole's grasp, not even light. The event horizon marks the point of no return. Beyond this boundary, all matter is lost forever. Black holes spin, twist, and devour everything in their path. Their power is unmatched in the universe. Let's explore the mysteries that lie within these cosmic giants. Flying near a black hole would be a breathtaking, dangerous journey. Galaxies themselves can be shaped by the presence of black holes. From Earth's horizon, the universe would look forever changed. A black hole's brightness can outshine entire galaxies. Earth and Sun, two familiar objects, but in a black hole's presence, everything is different. Earth's journey around a black hole would be a cosmic dance, guided by gravity's invisible hand. Earth's orbit could remain stable, since mass equals Sun's mass. The black hole's immense pull would keep Earth in a stable orbit, but the view would be unlike anything we've ever seen. Imagine looking up and seeing a swirling void where the sun once shone, a constant reminder of our new cosmic neighbor. The balance between motion and gravity would keep our planet spinning through the darkness. But no sunlight. Instant darkness. Without sunlight, the world would quickly become a realm of endless night, changing life as we know it. City lights would be the only glow on Earth's surface, as the sky remains pitch black. Extreme cold would grip the planet, transforming landscapes into frozen wastelands. Temperatures would plummet within weeks. Oceans and lakes would freeze, and only the deepest waters might remain liquid for a while. The black hole's presence would dominate the sky, a constant, ominous shadow over Earth. Glaciers would expand, and the planet would become a frozen world, barely recognizable. The universe would seem to shrink, with the black hole swallowing all light and warmth. Supermassive black holes can warp reality itself, bending the very fabric of space and time. Earth's orbit would continue, but the environment would be harsh and unforgiving. The black hole would grow as it consumes matter, becoming even more powerful. High-speed particles and radiation would occasionally light up the darkness, creating brief, eerie glows. The black hole's gravity would stretch and distort everything nearby, including space itself. The center of our solar system would be a place of mystery and danger, not warmth and light. Earth would keep spinning, but the days and nights would lose all meaning. Streams of light and matter would spiral into the black hole, vanishing forever. The cosmic balance would be forever changed, with Earth now a frozen wanderer in the void. Earth becomes a frozen world. Ice would cover continents, and only the hardiest life forms could survive. Frozen landscapes would stretch for miles, with little hope for warmth. Any explorers venturing outside would face extreme cold and darkness. Surface life dies quickly. Only deep-sea/underground ecosystems might last. Animals would struggle to adapt, with many species facing extinction. Plants would wither without sunlight, ending the food chain as we know it. Earth would become a silent, icy world, drifting through space. Underground or deep-sea life might find refuge, using geothermal energy to survive. Explorers could search for warmth in Earth's hidden depths, hoping to find life clinging on. Geothermal springs would become vital, offering the last pockets of heat. Humanity would need to adapt, building shelters and finding new energy sources. Humans would need artificial energy sources, fusion, geothermal, nuclear. Nuclear power could provide light and warmth, but resources would be limited. Geothermal plants would tap into Earth's inner heat, keeping small communities alive. Abandoned power plants would stand as monuments to a lost era of sunlight. tunnels and underground cities could become the new home for survivors. Hydroponic farms would grow food without sunlight, using artificial lights and heat. Earth would be a world of darkness, but life might still find a way. Astronauts and scientists would lead the search for survival strategies. The black hole would remain a constant threat, but also a source of scientific wonder. As the years pass, Earth's fate would depend on our ability to adapt and innovate. No sunlight =, no photosynthesis. Forests would freeze, and the cycle of life would be interrupted. Frozen landscapes would dominate, with only traces of life remaining. Collisions with space debris could become more common as Earth's orbit changes. If the black hole has an accretion disk, it could shine brighter than the sun. Galaxies would continue to move, but Earth would be isolated in the darkness. The black hole's energy could create strange, beautiful phenomena in the sky. Swirling gases and intense radiation would paint the heavens with eerie colors. But radiation would be dangerous. Celestial events would become more dramatic, but also more dangerous. Supermassive black holes can unleash bursts of energy, lighting up the cosmos. Earth's horizon would glow with strange, unnatural light. Visual, glowing accretion disk illuminating Earth with eerie colors. The planet would be bathed in shifting colors, a sign of the black hole's power. Astronauts would witness a transformed world, forever changed by cosmic forces. Light would bend and twist, creating surreal effects across the sky. The moon would still orbit Earth, but the night sky would never be the same. The black hole's brightness would outshine the stars, dominating the view. The sun, now distant and unreachable, would be a memory of a warmer time. Earth would continue its journey, a lonely planet in a universe of wonders. Traveling near a black hole would feel like moving through a tunnel in space and time. The black hole's pull would slow time, making every second stretch out. Streams of light would spiral inward, vanishing into the unknown. Clocks tick slower for Earth compared to distant observers. Spaceships exploring this region would experience time differently from those far away. Clocks would tick at different rates, depending on their distance from the black hole. Einstein's theories come to life here, as time and space are warped by gravity. Cool comparison. 1 year on Earth, 1 year far away. Numbers and equations would be needed to understand the new reality. Astronauts would gaze at distant worlds, knowing time moves differently for them. Asteroids and planets would drift through space, each on their own timeline. Spaceships could use wormholes to travel vast distances, but at great risk. Planets orbiting black holes would experience extreme time dilation. Light would swirl around the black hole, creating a glowing halo. The event horizon marks the ultimate boundary, where time stands still. Blue light would illuminate the black hole's edge, a sign of its immense energy. Travelers would see moons and planets move in strange, unpredictable ways. The black hole's influence would stretch far beyond its visible edge. Day and night would blur together as the sky becomes a cosmic spectacle. The Milky Way would spin on, but Earth's place in the universe would be forever changed. Night sky would look strange, one dark sphere surrounded by warped stars. The black hole would drift across the galaxy, pulling stars and planets in its wake. Planets orbiting the black hole would experience wild, unpredictable seasons. The cosmic background would be filled with strange, beautiful sights. Gravitational lensing. Stars look like arcs and rings. Rings of light would encircle the black hole, a sign of its immense power. Other planets might share Earth's fate, orbiting in the black hole's shadow. Cosmic elements would swirl around, creating a mesmerizing view. Earth's sky becomes a cosmic funhouse mirror. Galaxies would collide and merge, reshaping the universe. Supermassive black holes can consume entire stars, growing ever larger. Astronauts would watch in awe as the universe transforms before their eyes. Scientists would study the new orbits, searching for patterns in the chaos. Each cosmic event would reveal new mysteries, waiting to be explored. The black hole would remain, a silent guardian of the universe's secrets. Earth would freeze, life would struggle, but maybe survive underground or near artificial power. Explorers would venture into the unknown, searching for hope in the darkness. Thermal power plants could provide the last sources of energy for survivors. Scientists would continue to explore, driven by curiosity and the will to survive. Earth would be a lonely world, but its story would inspire future generations. So, if life could adapt even here, maybe black holes aren't the end. but the beginning of new worlds. Futuristic cities might rise, powered by new technologies and human ingenuity. The black hole would remain a symbol of both danger and possibility. Asteroids and planets would continue their journeys, shaped by gravity's pull. New worlds could form, born from the chaos of cosmic collisions. Spaceships would explore the universe, searching for new homes and new beginnings. Earth's horizon would always remind us of our place in the cosmos. From space, our planet would look peaceful, but its history would be written in the stars. The cosmic journey never ends, and the universe is full of endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this thought-provoking discussion, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video. Thanks for watching and engaging with us. See you on our next journey.